Right, so I've just got to Santa Pod. It's like halfway through the day. I'm really late as usual. We're in the 350 today. Don't know if you can see it behind us. And as you saw in the last video, it's just had the roll cage fitted and I've painted it and everything. So this is going to be the first day of drifting with the roll cage. It's actually just started raining, so yeah, it's kind of annoying. It's been dry like the whole way down here, and then I got within 5 minutes of the place and it starts raining. So yeah, and we're pretty much on our own today, and like I say, I'm really late, so it's gonna just be a little sort of quick afternoon of just messing about really. So not gonna be any spectacular twinning footage or anything like that, not that there ever is with me, but yeah, we're just gonna be dicking about on our own, because Luke was supposed to be doing this one. I think I've already said this in a couple of videos, but yeah, Luke was supposed to be doing this one, but his cage is not ready. It's still being installed. So yeah, just gonna go mess about on our own. Alright, we're just about to go out for the first run at Pod. I found one slight issue with the cage already, is that as soon as I put my head here, I hit this top bit. So that's gonna be interesting when I'm getting like thrown around corners. I guess I need to do my harnesses up even tighter than normal to make sure I don't move much, although it doesn't take much movement before I'm hitting it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We're going to go chase Malcolm again, see if we can have some more fun. After we do, ow! Head! After we do the little dance of putting harnesses on. Why is that back to front? What's going on? There we go. I know what I'm doing, honest. Ow, I've hit my head again. Right, so now we're going out behind a BDC driver, who apparently is just going to clear off. Let's see. Well, that was alright, and it didn't clear off, so quite happy with that. that thing's got like just under 500 horsepower, and everyone who's been out in it today has said it's like the fastest thing they've ever been in. So I'm kind of surprised that we kept up at all there. Maybe it was just going slow for us. It must have been. But yeah, that was good fun. Alright, so I think now we're going to chase Lisa, who is also in Drift Cup. She's actually married to the guy who runs the Santa Pod days as well, Lex, who is in BDC. So yeah, we've got an all-star lineup today, all the pros. So this should be fun. I'm not going to try and get super close or anything like that, especially because she's in Lex's car, because her car is broken at the moment. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to do anything too stupid, but we'll go out and have a bit of fun, hopefully. I think Malcolm's coming out behind us. We'll see. We'll figure it out once we get out there. Save the tyres. It's such a mess every time because there's like 4 people trying to get into the same corner on different lines. It's not. Yeah. Don't think anyone realised that was the end. That cone hasn't done too much damage. It's like either hit the cone or hit you. I completely fucked up there. I panicked and put the clutch in, then let it out really quickly, then brake, then put the clutch in again. I don't know what I was doing there. That was a very messy last session, but what are you going to do? I'm annoyed with myself about that complete panic where I just flapped and then ended up spinning because of it. I think he just went a little bit slower than I was expecting, and that was enough for me to just be fucked. Should we just do one more? Should we sneak one more in? Go on then. For some reason on that top third gear corner, for some reason that time I was like, right, I'm gonna like chase him and really commit to it, and that was the one time that he spanned. So it's a good job I didn't fully commit to it. I backed out just in time. Whew. He's not looking, but I'll give him a thumbs up. Left me hanging. Oh, we're doing one more. Oh, okay. What the fuck, this poor car. What's the crack? Is this last one, yeah?
Yeah, last one.
Alright, apparently we're going out again. Oh, this car is just going to overheat and die in a second. Might turn it off. Give it a rest. Right, this is definitely the last one now because we've shut the gates behind us. I just found one slight issue with having a cage. No sun visors. That's kind of annoying when it's sunny. alright, that last session. Got a bit messy, but it was alright. Yeah, I'm just going to go do a cool down lap, then load everything up, and then head home. So I'll, I guess there's no point really doing like an explanation or anything, because you've seen everything that happened. I went the wrong way. Yep, went the wrong way. Alright, sorry. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Not sure what it's going to be. Probably... what will it be? I don't know. It'll be a surprise for me as well, apparently. Whatever it is, we'll see you there.